and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar Wallows. I believe this could be the first time. Fireworks, I'm not sure, but I think so. Anyway, let's take a look at the song called Calling After Me. It's a very easy song to play. We have simple chords here if we go with capo on the first fret. If not, we are in trouble. But anyway, capo on first makes life easier. So let's do the chords together. We have 4 chords. We're gonna start here with a version of A minor 7. All right, so we have certain notes to highlight here, and that's the reason for we have some modifications on the chords. So A minor 7 goes like this: open A, second D, open G, first B, and the added third E. Okay, that's the A minor. We have standard D chord next, so that will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. Then we have the G major 7, and that is third on E, and I mute the next string, which is the A string. I just lean that finger, in this case the mid finger, on top of it, so it gets muted like that. And then we have open D, open G, third B, and second E. And then the final chord is the C major 7. So that is third on A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. All right. So we're gonna learn the strumming pattern, and it covers 2 chords. So we have 2 different parts. We're gonna look at the transition here from the A minor to D. And by the way, the chords goes in the same way through the entire song, and they come in the order we learned the chords. So A minor to D to G major to C major. All right, so we're gonna look at the first 2 chords and learn the strumming pattern there. So the first part goes for A minor, and it's down, 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 up, down. So down, 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 up, down. Like that. And then you shift chord to next, in this case the D. You're gonna play up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So almost 2 up, up, downs, and then an extra up in the end there. So up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So if you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, 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 up, down, and then up, up, down, up, up, down, up. And then you apply the same principle here for the next 2 chords. The G major goes in the same way as the A minor, the down, 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 up, down, and then the C major in the same way as the D, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So the last 2 chords will be and that is 1 round. You're gonna play this from the beginning till the very end. A couple of rounds goes. So some technical stuff here. It's not too hard to really boil it down to what is best for you and think economically when it comes to handling the fretboard hand. So for instance, from the C major, when you go and start a new round, you have that grip, and you can just release everything and just keep the mid finger on this second fret D string and add it like this. You think that A minor is a hard chord to get, you have already half of it almost in the C major. So that's one way of thinking, and that is what you should bring with you every time you look at chord progressions and all that. How can I be better and switch between the chords and do it more fluently and don't have to restart everything? So think how it goes. So just some extra stuff there to have with you to complete you as a guitarist. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this, guys. Wallows, Calling After Me. Nice song there. Fits guitar very well. So Good luck and play tuned.